Okay, so today I'm going to show you two methods of how to do addition problems using manipulatives. And this is directed to second graders. And the first method, we're going to be using 10 logs. And we're not going to be using the flue chart anymore since we're trying to move away from that. So our problem is, if I had 48 pieces of paper and then added 14 more, how many pieces of paper would I have in all? So for our first number, we're going to need 38. So since the 10 logs each represent 10, because we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that one 10 log represents 10. So we need 30. 10, 20, 30, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for our bottom number, it's adding 14. So we need one 10 log, which is 10, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're doing additions problem, you always start with adding the ones together first. So let's go ahead and just put all of our ones together. And what we're going to ask ourselves is, do we have enough ones to trade in for a 10 log? So let's count and see if we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we see that we do. So what we're going to do is regroup, and we're going to take away our ones and trade them by regrouping for a 10 log. So now we have another 10 log and only 2 ones. So now all we have to do is add together. So let's count how many 10 logs we have first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can count them by 10 because we know that they represent 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2. So our answer is 52. So now, after that we've figured out that method, I'm going to show you a new method. And for our second method, we are going to be using 10 frames. And this is what just one 10 frame looks like. We see that there's 10 spaces, so that one 10 frame represents 10. And we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to use these 10 frames. They're the exact same, except there's just 2 on one page, so that we don't have to use as many pages. So our problem again is, if I had 38 pieces of paper and then added 14 more, how many pieces of paper would I have in all? Just like the other problem. So we're first going to need 38. So let's use our counters to add 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now we have 3 of the 10 frames filled out, and we need 8 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there we have 38 for our top number. For our next number, we're going to be adding 14. So we're going to use this one to represent our second number, the white one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So up here we have 38 plus 14. So our question that we're going to ask is, where do we begin? Where do we first start? So what we first need to do is look at the charts and say, can I add any of these to fill in a chart? So we can regroup and take 2 from this chart and add it to this chart to represent 10. So now we have 5 full 10 frames. So now what we just need to do is go back and count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2. So now we see that when we added, we have 52. And that is how you do addition using 10 frames.